The CLT Life presents Matthews, North Carolina. Hey everybody, it's Jimmy Grappone here with the CLT Life, and today I'm in Matthews, North Carolina. We're going to take a walk down Main Street and show you some of the small businesses that are located in this small town about 20 minutes south of Charlotte, North Carolina. So we'll actually start out here on John Street in front of Mac's Speed Shop. So Mac's is a really popular bar and barbecue joint. There's several locations throughout the Charlotte area, and this one is in Matthews, about 2 blocks south of Trade Street, which runs through the heart of Matthews. Okay, so now we've come just up from John Street. We are in front of South Trade Street right now, and I'm standing in front of Stumptown Park. I wanted to start out here because this is a central gathering spot in downtown Matthews. This is where there's a huge festival every Labor Day that's held right here in front of Stumptown Park, where they have concerts. During the summers, there will be food trucks out here. They have a big stage where they'll have concerts. You got volleyball courts over there, and we're right next to the fire department as well, the volunteer fire department in Matthews. But this is Stumptown Park, and this too is just 2 blocks off of the center of Matthews, which is really at the intersection of Trade Street and John Street. So we'll take you up there next. Now for a tour of downtown Matthews shopping and dining district. Here's a look at Matthews Irish Pub, Grace O'Malley's. Lots of outdoor seating. Across the way is Renfro Hardware. That's also the site behind it is where the Matthews Farmer Market is located. Sante is an award-winning French cuisine restaurant. And here we're coming up at Carolina Beer Temple, formerly known as Temple Mojo. This used to be a bike shop, Mojo Bicycle Shop. It's now been converted to a craft beer and wine place, and we're crossing over the railroad tracks. Coming up on Seaboard Tap Room, which you'll see here in just a moment on the left-hand side. Another great place for drinks in Matthews. And here's Brakeman's Coffee Shop, so when you're looking for something that doesn't have alcohol, check out Brakeman's. Here's a look at Moe's Barbecue. Taking you down this side street here where there's additional businesses, and festivals are held down here at times as well. And there's a look straight ahead at Matthews Library, which is one of the iconic buildings, one of the coolest libraries you'll ever go to. One of Matthews' iconic buildings. And now we're coming through the parking lot up to Pizza Peel. Hey guys. And that is the quick tour of downtown Matthews, North Carolina. So that's a quick walking tour of downtown Matthews, North Carolina. Hopefully you saw new businesses that you haven't been to or haven't heard of before, and that will inspire you to come down here and check it out. Look for more videos where we'll go more in depth with individual businesses here in Matthews in the future. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Thanks again for watching the CLT Life Presents.